When resting just isn't enough, how do you escape a brutal crash? My 5 secret strategies for fighting PEM coming up. Hey there, friends. I'm Rachel Wynn, and this is Survival of the Fatigued, your space for real talk on coping with moderate to severe MECFS. Now, I recently saw a post on X from @RenameMeCFS that hit me hard. Day 6 of the biggest PEM of my life. Aggressive resting isn't cutting it. What do I do? Well, Survivor family, I've been there. A lot. Post-exertional malaise, or PEM, feels like a living nightmare. But there are ways to cope. Today, I'm sharing my 5 strategies on when aggressive resting just isn't enough. Comment below with the sad face emoji if you're currently battling uncontrollable PEM. Comments make the world go round, the world go round, the world go round. So aggressive resting, dark room, no noise, no effort. This tends to be our go-to for ridiculous MECFS PEM. But like @RenameMeCFS said, sometimes it's just not enough. During my worst crashes, I was doing everything right. No lights, no phone, just lying there. But I could still feel my symptoms, fatigue, pain, brain fog, getting worse. Resting does help, but with severe MECFS, basic body functions like digesting or even thinking can be too much energy. And that is when we need a bigger toolkit to fight what I call the devil's PEM. Brain fog alert, don't forget to like and share if you haven't already, so the algorithm shares this with other people who need it. First tip, create the ultimate relaxing environment. Stress makes PEM worse by putting your nervous system into overdrive. Beyond a dark, quiet room, add comforts. Dimmable lights, your favorite type of blanket. A comfortable room temperature is kind of important. And it helps to have like pillows under every limb. I also have a fan for gentle white noise and an ocean sound machine. Having all these things helping relax you is like a gentle hug for your whole body. Second, meal replacement shakes. Look, chewing and digesting take way more energy than you'd think. Meal replacement shakes may not be a fancy thing, but it really helps keep your body fueled with nutrition without draining your energy. And the flavors are a lot better than they used to be too. Tip 3, nostalgic media for comfort. Put on a favorite nostalgic background noise. This could be your favorite childhood movie, cartoon, music. Why? It's soothing. Unlike watching something new, it takes zero brain power, and it helps you reduce stress. Tip 4, vagus nerve, specifically the humming exercise. Now, while you're lying down, I want you to gently do like a deep throat humming for about a minute. Not the humming like they teach you for projecting if you've sang or been in acting classes. So you're not humming to your lips, you're humming deep in your throat. Doing this type of humming stimulates your vagus nerve and calms down your nervous system. It's odd, I know, but it's really low effort, and it really helps fix that wired but tired PEM feeling. Bonus vagus nerve tip, paced breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6 seconds. Do this for about a minute whenever that PEM anxiety hits. Tip 5, hydration. Hydration is crucial for PEM recovery, but so tough when you're severe. Lifting a glass, let alone frequent bathroom trips, can seem almost impossible. I'm still having kind of a hard time figuring this one out, but here is what has helped. Coconut water is really good for extra hydration. Putting a pinch of pink Himalayan salt in your glass of water really helps, especially if you have POTS. Finding lightweight plastic glasses and straws, and if you have the ability or if you have a helper, Jell-O made in like single servings, and even more helpful is if instead of water to make it, you use Pedialyte. If you need some good low energy background noise, here is my MECFS and chronic illness playlist. I hope these tips helped you. Keep on surviving, my friends.